everybody! Welcome to my vlog. Yan, we're going to celebrate our first Mother's Day. Yan ang friendship. So, let's cheers to all mothers in the world, in the heaven. Yan, this is my first Mother's Day. So, cheers! So, today is Mother's Day. So, I'm gonna spoil all my cravings today. Oh my God, my friendship, are you excited? Oh my God, did you see this? Yes! My favorite cookies in the USA, number one in my heart. Crumble cookie! Woo! Oh my God, this is my favorite cookies here in the USA. And of course, we have also this is Krispy Kreme! Woo! Yan mga friendship. This is my sweet cravings this Mother's Day. So, let's celebrate. Oh my God, mga friendship. So, first we're going to try the heart. Yan, this is the heart. Yan. Crumble cookies. It's so nice. And they're so huge. Okay, they're so good. And you have here the bigger one as well. You see that? The Oreo cookie. Oh my God. Let's try it. Oh my God. Yeah, my friendship. Let's spoil our cravings today. It's it's Mother's Day. Oh my God, so good. This is the new flavor, seasonal flavor from Krispy Kreme. So let's try this one. It's so good. So good. And let's try the chocolate. Of course, Mama's favorite is all chocolate. This is my baby. And of course, I will not be mother without my baby. This is our first Mother's Day together. So, let's satisfy Mama's sweet cravings. Oh my God, it's so good, love. My friendship. Thank you for watching.